How to change Toyota Corolla key battery, or how you can easily change your Toyota Corolla key fob battery to easily replace it if it is no longer working. So if you press the button, you discover that the remote is no longer working. This is not because you have an issue with your Toyota Corolla remote. All you just need to do is to replace the battery. Mark you, to replace the Toyota Corolla key battery, you need to replace it with the exact battery you have in the remote. In most cases, whenever I change my battery, I make sure I confirm the battery model or number I have in my Toyota Corolla 4 key battery before I go ahead and get the replacement. Now, first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you open the Toyota Corolla key remote. So, in some cases, you have this open here. Mark you, this works on all Toyota products, especially between 2009 and 2019 that have something similar in this manner. So, you want to gently open it. Once you open it, flip it like this so that the buttons will be intact. So whenever I open my remote, I take into consideration the positioning of the button. So I'll open it like that. This is what you have in your Toyota Corolla key remote. Then remove this. You can see I have all my buttons here. I just move this aside. This is what we want to deal with. This is the actual remote. At the same time, if you take a look at the remote, you see there is also another cover that protects the key remote controls, right? Now, you also need to gently remove it by using your finger. So just use something soft so that you will not break the remote cover. And then remove it. Once you remove the Toyota Corolla battery, this is what you're going to have. Now, this is a major concern, the battery. If you take a closer look at the battery, it should say your battery remote number. You can see I have CR 2016 lithium cell. So if you're getting a replacement, it's advisable to get the same CR 2016 or CR, whichever number you have on the battery. So go grab a new battery. In this case, you can see I have the Pixel CR 2016, which is similar to this, while this one is the lithium cell CR 2016. Now, turn to the back and then get out the battery like that. Once you remove the battery, you want to gently place it into the position. And once displaced, go ahead and then cover the remote. Then you have its key. So go back and then replace it into the key. Once you replace it, go ahead and then complete the package by covering it. And now you should have your remote working again. So to confirm whether the remote is working, you should see a small light here coming out if the battery is rightly placed. And if there is a problem that has to do with the battery you inserted, all you simply need to do is you just need to go ahead, open the Toyota Corolla key battery again, and then adjust the battery positioning, and you are good. So that's basically how to change Toyota Corolla key battery or Toyota Corolla key fob battery or replace it. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.